Hello again, everybody. This is Trend Capture Day Trader. This is Tuesday's August 24th T-bond futures using the Trend Capture Day Trader system. I thought I'd mix it up a little bit. I've been showing the Euro so far and a couple days of the ES, but I thought I would show how the T-bond futures respond to this particular system. There are no emergency exits needed for this system, simply because of the fact that the initial stop is so tight. The initial stop is 2 ticks, so very tight, very manageable. The first out is 2 ticks. After the first out, you move your stop to break even. Your second out is 4 ticks, and your third out is a trailing stop of 4 ticks. So your third out, once again, is your runner. If the market decides to make a big move out of it, then you'll have the ability to participate and let the market get you out of your trade with that trailing stop. 6 a.m. is the start time for T-bonds that we would begin trading the T-bonds. So the first trade came in at 128.26, and that was good for 21 ticks from the trigger to the high. Next trade was a long, and that was good for 3 ticks from the trigger to the high. The next trade was a short at 947 at 135.11, and that was a stop out. Got stopped out for 2 ticks. As you can see, it was a good stop out too, because we were short right up here, and we would have taken all kinds of heat on that trade if we had stayed in. The next trade was a long at 135.26, and that was good for 5 ticks from the trigger to the high. So in this situation, you would have gotten out of your first and second lots, and your third lot would have broken even. Your next was a short at 135.26. That was good for 18 ticks from the trigger to the low. Next was another short at 135.14, 15 ticks from the trigger to the low. Then yet another short at about noon. That was 4 ticks from the trigger to the low. In this situation, you would have only gotten out of your first lot, and both your second and third would have broken even. Because although you got 4 ticks, your out price on the 4 tick second out, the bid never hit that. So you would have never been filled on that. Next trade is a short at 135.6, 3 ticks to the trigger to the low. So you would have gotten out of your first lot and break even on second and third. The next trade was a 2 tick stop out. And then this long over here was another 2 tick stop out. Another 2 tick stop out. And to finish the day off with 11 ticks here from the trigger to the high. So you can see with these tight stops, it really, really helps out. I mean, let's take this for example. There was this short right here. With that 2 tick stop, we would have taken all kinds of heat here had we not had that stop in there. Same here. So these tight stops really work. If when we get a signal, if the bonds are going to take off, they're going to do it and they're not going to look back. That's one of the reasons that we can have such a tight stop. Because if we get a signal and it kind of stalls, then odds are it's not going to be a good move. It's not going to be a move that's going to be profitable. So we may as well have our stop fairly tight. And that's the T-bond futures. I'm trying to catch up from not posting the videos, and this is the second one today. But I'll post the Euro. I'll try to post it tonight. If anybody's interested in the free trading room for a couple of weeks, you can come in and see these things traded live as the signals occur. Just go to tcfreetrial.blogspot.com The address is right up here. And that will take you to a link to send me an email. And just say that you're interested. Or you can just send me an email directly. I'm at tradecapture@gmail.com. That's TRADECAPTURE@gmail.com. So like I said, it's a 2-week free trial to the trading room. There's no obligation whatsoever. I don't ask for email addresses. I don't ask for real names, phone numbers, any of that. So feel free to give it a try. With that being said, and you see the performance on the T-bond futures, pretty good. I like it. So everybody have a good night. Good luck on your trading tomorrow, and I look forward to seeing some of you in the trading room.